Hello everyone. Today we have with us Miss Ridhima Ranpise, the entrepreneur extraordinaire. So Ridhima, hi. How do you feel?
I'm feeling great. How are
You're
you
feeling
doing?
great. I am feeling a bit nervous because I have never had a chance to sit with such a young entrepreneur in front of me. All right, so Ridhima, I just wanted to know what actually inspired you to, start your journey on this road to entrepreneurship.
So, I have been learning formulas and theories and a lot of things from a way back, and I would continue to learn. The real issue is that I'm not learning any real skill out of it.
Right.
I've been to various programs, and I came to a decision that the theories, the degrees that I would continue to pursue would not actually be a great result because people are doing degrees but still they are unemployed. So, I
Right.
really need to start that they really needs to start कि कुछ एक अपना own start करने का. So I do get a chance to show the world that what I'm doing right now.
Great, perfect. So you just want to make a huge, huge dent in the
Hmm.
world, right? Perfect. So Ridhima, Finjan Solutions, all right. You are going to be providing a lot of idea about what finance actually is, what finance, how finance can be, made it in such a simple way that you are able to understand. Anybody is able to understand. If you can make me understand finance, I think you can make anybody else. So I believe that is the main scope that you're focusing on.
Yeah, my company's vision is mostly that to help people grow and gain financial freedom. सो नाउअडेज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ना कि लोग बहुत इन्फ्लुएंसर्स यूट्यूब वीडियोस एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल्सो सम बुक्स
Hmm.
वो रीड करके फाइनेंस का नॉलेज लेते हैं
Right,
बट फाइनेंस इज नॉट जस्ट अ बुक और अ वीडियो
right,
फाइनेंस इज मोर देन दैट
right,
द इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट यू हैव बीन लर्निंग फ्रॉम बुक्स एंड द वीडियोस
right.
वो एक्चुअली ऐसे टेलर्ड नहीं होते जो आपकी नीड्स को फुलफिल करते दे आर
True.
वेरी जेनरिक
Mm-hmm.
फाइनेंस इज लाइक हेल्थ हेल्थ
Mm.
सबके अलग होते हैं हेल्थ पर्सनलाइज्ड होते हैं वैसे
Right.
फाइनेंस भी पर्सनलाइज्ड होना चाहिए जस्ट
Perfect.
बिकॉज यू आर सीइंग अ वीडियो एंड शोइंग कि आप मंथली एसआईपी कर लो 10,000 का और 30 ईयर्स के बाद यू गेट 1 करोड़ इज
Right.
दिट दैट यू नीड क्या 1 करोड़ आपके नीड्स को फुलफिल कर रहा है 30 ईयर्स के
True.
बाद वो 1 करोड़ आपको क्या मजे देगा if you cannot
Mm-hmm.
enjoy that money right now. So we
Right.
need to
Right.
tailor those finance
Mm-hmm.
in your ways so that you can fulfill your needs.
Right. But isn't savings a very big part of, you know, a retirement plan or anything as such in the
No,
future?
actually not. Savings is something you can fulfill your basic needs also. Like अगर
Mm-hmm.
let's say I want to plan a vacation, तो वो savings मुझे help out करेगा.
Right.
Some people are out there who lives paycheck to paycheck.
Right.
तो अभी जो बोल रहे हैं कि हम सेविंग्स करना चाहिए 5,000 एसआईपी करो ये करो
Mm-hmm.
5,000 बाहर मनी निकालो
Right.
तो जो पे चेक टू पे चेक लिव कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ये पॉसिबल है क्या नहीं सो
Right.
इसलिए टू हेल्प ऑल्सो दोज पीपल हु लिव पे टू चेक एज वेल एज जिनके पास सेविंग्स के लिए पैसे हैं
Right.
उनके लिए हेल्प करना कि अगर आपके पास पे चेक टू पे चेक आप लिव कर रहे हो तो
Mm-hmm.
उसे आप कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हो कैसे
Mm-hmm.
3 मंथ्स के बाद वो जो पे चेक टू पे चेक है उसके अलावा आप कैसे एक इनकम सोर्स जनरेट कर सकते हो
Hmm.
तो ये सब चीज के लिए विल लाइक हेल्प यू आउट
Perfect. So ये तो हो गया आपका vision and mission, right? Now I just want to understand. You are just 18, all right? I still cannot imagine it, but you are still 18, and I just wanted to understand कि how is your generation or how is your age going to be a very important factor uh, on the role of an entrepreneur? Because how are you going to see the market? How are you going to get into the market?
so like let's be honest
Hmm.
after 10 years gen z's are going to rule the market
True.
gen z's will be the one who knows what people need
Right.
I understand that experience is a very important thing
Mm-hmm.
5 years का experience 10 years of experience people having but understanding that आपके पास 5 साल का experience हो किस चीज़ में
Mm-hmm.
it's not important कि वो 5 साल का experience हो
Right.
it's just 1 year of experience and repeating the same experience for 5 years so
Understood.
is that experience really the need for what people need तो
True.
तो इसलिए एक fresh perspective की ज़रूरत है एक्चुअली मार्केट को क्या ज़रूरत है ये एक
Mm-hmm.
जेनजी ही बता सकता है उनके
Understood.
नीड्स क्या है उनको कैसे फुलफिल किया जा सकता है
Mm-hmm.
एक जेनजी ही बता सकता है वो आई नो माई पीपल बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज आई एम दैट पीपल
Sure.
सो दैट्स द रीजन
Sure. All right. So, Abhi, you have been speaking so fondly about Gen Z because you are also from that generation, no doubt. All right. But can you just, aren't you actually, working on a book about Gen Zs?
Yeah, actually, I have already published two books, but
Right?
I'm also working on an independent novel, which is Decoding Gen Zs.
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of stereotypes on that.
Right?
Like, let's say the term Gen Z is
Mm.
itself fancy,
True.
sophisticated. Gen Z सुना कि लोग बोलते हैं, अरे सबसे बेस्ट जनरेशन ये, इनके पास इंटरनेट है, मोबाइल है, ये है, वो है,
Mm-hmm.
सब है इनके पास.
That's true.
But there are so many disadvantages, there are so many factors. The
Mm.
main thing is generation gap.
That's
We are
true.
never understood by our parents. That is the main thing. That's why Gen Zs behave in certain way, why
Mm.
Gen Zs do certain things.
Right.
So इसलिए वो थोड़ा और explain करने के लिए,
Mm.
that's why I'm launching a book called Decoding Gen Z, जिसमें Gen Z के terms भी explain किए जाएंगे.
Right.
Gen Z terms like um, different aspects of relationships,
Mm-hmm.
बेंचिंग हो गया, स्टॉकिंग हो गया,
Mm-hmm. Right.
या स्लैंग्स हो गए जेंजीज के, जो ओल्डर
Uh-huh.
जनरेशन है इवन जेंजीज को समझ नहीं आते, बिकॉज
True.
बीइंग माई सेल्फ अ जेंजी आई कैन नेवर अंडरस्टैंड अ सेकंड जेंजी, मैं उसको
Mm.
कभी नहीं समझ सकती बिकॉज
And
ये टोटली डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. सो
right.
दैट्स व्हाई.
So, you are currently in the process of writing it,
या
right? And it will be launched way in the further,
या या
right? So, I hope we can have way more discussion on this once, I also start doing some research and I start understanding a bit about Gen Z because I really don't. I mean, my sister is there, but we don't really, you know, there's a
या
gap. So, I understand the gap that you're talking about, and that is true. So, another thing I wanted to ask about was about your achievements. All right, at such an age, what all have you accomplished? Because I know I've heard that you've accomplished quite a lot. All right, and I just want to feel bad about myself because I don't think so. I ever did. So I just wanted to know what did you?
So okay, speaking about my achievements, like I said, I've published two books. I'm working on a novel. I have been into fashion and modeling industry for almost 2 years now. I have
Hmm.
been showstopper. I've been show openers. I have been model for various local brands. I have been
Right.
style icon of India.
Hmm.
And coming apart from this, I've been into also startup programs. I
Okay.
am a German student. I
Hmm.
have been to Kerala for the same matter. I am
Right.
planning to go to Germany next year for the same thing.
Wow.
And now coming out of that, the most biggest achievement that is close to my heart
Right.
is winning Think Startup in IIT Bombay.
Oh wow. Perfect. So
And
was this?
this is the business plan that won before
Oh
starting.
my God. Awesome, awesome. So we are seeing, the idea that has already won into motion.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So, is there anything else, matlab, when you were coming up with this idea, all right, when this was during the IIT competition, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. So, how long back was that?
That was like almost a month back only.
Almost a month back. All
Yeah.
right. So wasn't that your birthday as well? Somewhere
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
around that?
Around my birthday, I
Around your
won.
birthday,
Yeah.
perfect. Isn't that great?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
was
actually.
that must have felt like the best birthday present. Right, perfect. All right. So I just wanted to ask you this one important thing. All right. Now that we've gone through your accomplishments, we've understood what your company's vision is, right, and how you see yourself and what you are planning on achieving. I just want to understand, what can you give some advice, all right, because I've not seen so many people that are so focused towards your getting out of the system, thinking out of the box, creating their own brand. So I just wanted your few words on any kind of an advice that you can give to the younger people.
Okay, so the advice I want to give is just the key to the success is starting. Like,
Okay.
just start your channel you have been thinking about, just start that business plan, just start it. Because 2 years back I wanted to start a business, but I was just delaying कि यार अभी तो 11th में हूँ यार, अभी क्या चालू करूँ,
Mm-hmm.
अभी एग्जाम्स है, अभी ये करना है, वो करना है. So
my
it was
God.
just
So
delaying. It was just delaying.
so you started thinking when you were in 11th
Yeah,
standard.
I just had that vision कि कुछ start करना है
I
अब.
was you know what I was thinking in 11th standard? कि आज ये Chinese खाना है कि नहीं खाना है? That was my biggest question. That was my biggest dilemma कि आज मैं Chinese खाऊं कि मैं चाउमीन खाऊं, क्या खाऊं? And you were thinking of making a business. That's perfect. That's amazing actually.
So like I said, कि it's not important कि आपके पास पूरा plan ready हो. When you start, you learn day by day.
True.
It's like a toddler trying to walk. वो ऐसे ही magically नहीं सीखता walk करना.
That's right.
उससे पहले walk करना actually चालू करना पड़ता है. That's why just start it.
Just start. All right. So the big words, just started.
Yeah.
So Ridhima, when did the that feeling of finance actually grow inside you?
Okay. So the finance plan which were in IT Bombay, actually वो plan मैंने ऐसे ही बनाया था, but the little backstory if I want to give, तो a year back my father bought a personal finance का course from a decent academy.
Right.
So he bought it. There were around 20-30 chapters. Every
Right.
important chapters covered budgeting, debt, retirement plan, everything. My father opened the first chapter. He saw 7 minutes का video, completed and he बंद कर दिया वो. Now it's been 1 year.
Yeah.
He never opened it again. So that 500 to 1000 rupees which he invested कि अरे मैं अपना plan बनाऊंगा, investment करूंगा, मेरी बेटी के लिए इतना इतना save करूंगा.
Right.
That is just waste of money.
That's
So
true.
what was the use? Then I asked him कि आपने इतना 500 पे किया, I mean that is something value है 500
True.
का, तो उसका क्या purpose हुआ? तो he told me कि मैंने open तो किया, पर मुझे कुछ समझा नहीं. वो finance के जब terms आने लगे,
Right.
तो कुछ समझा ही नहीं. मतलब so even I personally went through that course, मुझे खुद नहीं समझा. And I'm doing CFP. What a shame. Okay. And मैं कॉमर्स फील्ड से हुआ. I've been learning these same things from 2 years, but मैं जब देख रही हूँ मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है. मतलब
Right.
एक डेफिनेशन फाइनेंस का, उसका पर्पस क्या है मेरे लिए? अरे यार मुझे प्लान बनाना है.
Right.
आप मुझे क्यों डेफिनेशन बता रहे हो?
Right.
जस्ट टेल मी हाउ टू डू इट. डोंट टेल मी हाउ इट वर्क्स. उसके अगर 3 प्रकार के इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज है,
Alright.
तो उसके नेम्स मत बताओ, मुझे नहीं लेना देना है. मुझे बस बताओ वो स्ट्रैटेजी यूज कैसे करते हैं. As a person, as my father who is working, उन्हें सिर्फ चाहिए कि मैं अपना प्लान कैसे बनाऊं,
Right.
उसे ढूंढूं कैसे, उसको पर्सनलाइज कैसे बनूं. He doesn't care कि कौन से प्रकार के इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज है, कौन से पर्सन ने उसको इन्वेंट किया है.
Right.
दैट इज नॉट अ थिंग. हमें सिर्फ चाहिए, हमें प्लान बनाना है जो पर्सनलाइज हो और मेरे लिए वो वर्क करे. सो
Right.
दैट्स व्हाट फिंजन सॉल्यूशंस मोटिव इज. कि
Right.
आपको हम हेल्प करेंगे कि आपके लिए जो परफेक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी कौन सी है. रिसर्च कैसे करते हैं फाइनेंस की.
Right.
डोंट रिलाई ऑन वीडियोस. रिसर्च योरसेल्फ. और रिसर्च भी कैसे करते हैं वो हम सब
Based on your finances.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. That was all for today. All right. Really had an amazing time talking with you, Ridhima. It's always a pleasure meeting you. All right. I hope we can do a lot more because I believe as your company is gonna grow, you're going to launch many new things. All right. And I'll be there to cover it all.
Thank you
Right.
so much.
Really looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Ridhima. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining.